The Rainbird in-ground sprinkler system with click-and-go hose connect includes 4 professional-grade rotary sprinklers, a click-and-go hose connector, plus all tubing and connecting parts. For this installation, you'll need a flat blade shovel, measuring tape, garden shears or tubing cutter, and a garden hose. Be sure to check local plumbing codes to determine whether your hose bib contains the appropriate vacuum breaker or anti-siphon device to protect against water backflow. Before you plan your sprinkler spacing, you will first need to check your home's water flow rate. Time how long it takes to fill a 5-gallon pail. Then determine the faucet's gallons per minute using the following formula. Refer to this table to help determine sprinkler spacing and maximum coverage area for your specific irrigation layout. This system can cover approximately 6,400 square feet, depending on the sprinkler spacing as well as the water pressure and flow. The recommended water pressure is 40 to 75 psi, and the minimum water flow is 6 gallons per minute. For easier installation, uncoil the tubing and let it warm in the sun for a few hours. Each sprinkler has an estimated throw distance of 16 to 24 feet, depending upon your home's water pressure and flow. To obtain even coverage of your watering area, each sprinkler should be located so that its watering throw distance reaches the next sprinkler. For proper water flow to every sprinkler, no more than 2 sprinklers should be installed on a single length of distribution tubing. Using the grid in the installation guide, sketch a watering layout that maximizes coverage without overspraying onto buildings, sidewalks, and other non-grassy areas. For larger yards, you can install multiple click-and-go systems and use the same garden hose. Measure the distances between each sprinkler head and mark their locations with the plastic stakes. Drop the station cover cord through the opening in the housing. Slip the cord's loop over the pipe bracket. Snap the pipe bracket into the underside of the station. Push the end of the black distribution tubing onto the adapter. Uncoil and connect 2 sections of distribution tubing to the T and run it on top of the ground to each sprinkler. Cut tubing at sprinkler head locations and insert threaded T's. Apply PTFE tape to the 1/2-inch threaded fitting on top of each T. Then connect sprinklers. After the last sprinkler on each run, keep a tubing piece with at least 6 inches extra length for later trimming. Push the barbed end of the elbow into the 1/2-inch distribution tubing. Face the threaded end downward and connect the automatic drain valve to the end of each tubing run. To test your sprinklers, secure them to the plastic stakes. Then, attach the click-and-go fitting to your garden hose. Remove the hose connection station lid and insert the quick connect and hose onto the male fitting. Turn on the faucet all the way to check maximum watering coverage. The sprinklers should all pop up. To optimize the watering coverage, move the sprinklers or adjust the arc and distance. Adjust the sprinkler direction by turning the center cap to the right until it stops, then to the left until it stops. This left stop is your fixed left edge, the starting point from which rotation begins. To match the fixed left edge with your watering area, rotate the entire sprinkler body to the desired position. To adjust the pattern from 40 to 360 degrees, turn the pattern adjustment screw left or right until you reach the desired arc. You can also adjust each sprinkler's spray distance by turning the distance screw left or right until you reach the desired distance. Run the system for 15 to 30 minutes to soften the ground around the tubing, sprinklers, and hose connect station. Use a flat blade shovel and work along in short intervals, pushing the tubing in with your hands. The housing, tubing, and sprinklers must be deep enough so that the sprinklers are flush with the ground. Turn on the system and verify that all sprinklers are in full popped-up position. Make any final adjustments as needed. When you're done watering, turn off the water and disconnect the hose. Turn the hose connect station lid clockwise to lock it in place, and roll up the hose. The Rainbird Click and Go Hose Connect works with many other garden hose quick connect fittings available at retail stores. If you would like professional help with the layout of the sprinklers, Rainbird has several options available.